Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore some amazing colorful science experiments and creative activities together. All of these experiments use simple materials that anyone can try at home. First, we prepare several cups of colored water and connect them using rolled paper towels. The paper towels slowly absorb the water and move it from one cup to another through capillary action. As the water travels through the paper, the colors begin mixing together to create new colors. It almost looks like the water is walking between the cups by itself. Next is an experiment using a yellow liquid that looks like cooking oil. I add several drops of food coloring into the oil. Then I gently stir the mixture using a stick to spread the colors around. Now I pour the mixture into a clear jar filled with water. The colorful drops slowly sink to the bottom and create beautiful flowing streaks. This happens because food coloring does not dissolve in oil but mixes easily with water. Next is the amazing leak-proof zip bag experiment. I fill a zip bag with water and seal it tightly. Then I carefully push a pen through the bag. Surprisingly, the water does not leak out at all. The flexible plastic tightly wraps around the pen and prevents the water from escaping. But as soon as the pen is removed, the water quickly pours out. Now it's time for a rainbow experiment that appears when water is added. First, I draw the outline of a rainbow on a sheet of white paper. On a second sheet, I color in all 7 rainbow colors underneath. Then I place the white paper on top of the colored sheet. At first, the rainbow colors underneath are almost completely hidden. Now I slowly pour water onto the top sheet of paper. As the paper becomes wet, the rainbow colors gradually appear. This happens because wet paper becomes more transparent when light passes through it. Next is the super-cooled water freezing experiment. As the cold water is poured out, it instantly freezes wherever it flows. This happens because super-cooled water rapidly turns into ice when disturbed. Now I dip a strawberry into the super-cooled water. When I lift it out, the water around the strawberry instantly freezes into ice. The strawberry looks like it has been covered in a beautiful crystal shell. Next is the floating drawing experiment. I use a blue whiteboard marker to draw fish, crabs, and squid on a white plate. Then I gently pour water onto the plate. The drawings begin floating and moving across the water like swimming animals. This happens because the whiteboard marker ink separates easily from the smooth plate surface. Now let's try the bottle experiment with small holes. I make several small holes near the bottom of a plastic bottle. Then I fill the bottle with water and tightly close the cap. At first, no water comes out from the holes. When I loosen the cap, air enters the bottle and the water starts flowing out. The more the cap is opened, the faster the water flows. Finally, we have the disappearing dinosaur experiment. I draw a cute dinosaur on paper and color it completely. Then I place the picture inside a clear zip bag and seal it tightly. Next, I trace the dinosaur outline again on the outside of the bag. When the bag is placed underwater, the colorful drawing inside almost disappears. At that moment, only the outer dinosaur outline remains visible. This effect happens because light changes as it passes through water and transparent plastic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow for more fun science experiments and creative activities.